Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a very simple vegetable scrambled egg that will be paired with plantains. This is actually a very quick and nutritious meal that I can have at any time of the day. So without waste of time, let's get right into it. So these are basically all the ingredients we need. I'll be adding the full ingredients to a description box down below, so please do ensure you check it out. First, I'll begin with the plantains. I'm actually using 2 ripe plantains. I'll just cut it into chunks with the back, but you can choose to peel off the back. So I'll be transferring the plantain into the pot, then add little salt to it just to boost the flavor, although it's totally optional. Then add enough water to it and allow it to cook. So while that's cooked, I'll go ahead and prep the ingredients I'll be using to make the scrambled eggs. I'm actually using 4 tomatoes. I'll just cut them into smaller chunks. Okay, it's all done. I also cut some pepper. I'm actually using yellow scotch bonnet pepper because I love the flavor it adds. So back to my stove top. The plantain has been cooking for about 10 minutes now and I believe it's okay. So I'll just turn off the heat. So to check if your plantain is fully cooked, you can just dip a skewer stick as I'm doing, or you can choose to use a fork or a toothpick. So I just take it off from the heat, then drain out the water. So to make the vegetable scrambled egg, I'll heat up little vegetable oil in my pan on medium heat. Then add some onion and saute till fragrant. I'll also be adding some ginger and garlic just for flavor building. So after about 2 minutes of frying, I'll be adding the diced tomatoes and scotch bonnet pepper and allow it to fry. This should take about 5 to 7 minutes. While that's fry, I want to use this opportunity to appreciate our subscribers so far. I said thank you very much. And please, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Please kindly hit the subscribe button down below and turn on the bell notifications so you can be instantly notified whenever I upload new amazing recipes like this. Please do ensure you like, share to your friends and loved ones, and leave me a comment in the comment section. Thank you very much. So the tomatoes is perfectly fried now to my taste. I'll just go ahead and season up everything using a little curry powder, some thyme, seasoning cube, and some salt to taste. Just a little of each ingredient is enough. So I'll mix everything together and allow it to fry for 1 more minute. Okay, after about 1 minute, I'll be adding the beaten eggs to it and allow it to set. Okay, our eggs are set now, so I'll go ahead and scramble it up. This process doesn't take too long. Once you notice that your scrambled eggs start looking the way mine is, just know it's pretty much ready. So finally, because we're making vegetable scrambled eggs, I'll be adding some pumpkin leaves to it, where you can choose to use any vegetable of your choice. So I'll cover the pan now and allow the vegetables to wilt a little bit. So guys, after 1 extra minute, our vegetable scrambled eggs is pretty much ready. It's actually looking so delicious. So I'll be pairing mine with some boiled plantains that I made earlier on, but you can choose to use yam, potato, or even rice. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying out this recipe. Thank you very much guys for watching. Please kindly subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Like, share, and leave me a comment in the comment section. Until I come your way next time, do remember to always eat healthy and stay healthy. Bye bye!